Today, we're going to talk about something that's a massive headache for pretty much anyone creating content on LinkedIn, actually getting people to see the great stuff you make. We're going to dive into a platform called CrossLike that thinks it has the answer.
You know the feeling, right? You spend hours, maybe even days, putting together the perfect post. You've packed it with value, you've checked it twice, and you hit that post button feeling pretty good about it. And then, crickets. It's just so frustrating.
And then that little notification pops up. You've received 3 likes. Wow. I mean, it's almost comical. All that effort for 3 likes? It feels like your work just vanished. But here's the thing. This isn't just about hurt feelings. This is a real, bottom-line business problem.
And this gets us to what you might call the LinkedIn paradox. On one hand, the platform is this incredible place for professional growth. But on the other hand, its algorithm is, well, it's picky. Think of it like a car engine on a cold day. It needs that initial spark, that first burst of engagement to really get going. Without it, even the best content dies on the vine, while some random post you saw goes viral. How do you build a strategy around that?
So you're stuck in this trap. Your choices are what? Spend your entire day manually liking and commenting on other people's stuff, which is just exhausting. Or you could dip your toes into those sketchy black hat automation tools and risk getting your account banned overnight, all while your boss is breathing down your neck asking about ROI. It's a mess. And this quote from a user named Brandon just hits the nail on the head. You've spent years building your professional reputation online. The thought of some shady bot destroying all that work, that's not just a tech issue. That's a career-level risk. So, what do you do?
Well, this is exactly where CrossLike steps into the ring, and their approach is totally different. It's not about trying to trick the algorithm or fool the system. It's about blending smart technology with the one thing you can't fake, a real community of people.
So here's the big idea. At its heart, CrossLike uses AI, but not to fake anything. It uses AI to coordinate engagement from a hand-picked network of actual, verified professionals. We're talking founders, top voices in their fields, consultants, real people, giving your content an authentic push right when it needs it most.
Okay, so let's just lay it out side by side. The old way is that miserable choice between the manual grind and those super risky bots that can get you banned. The CrossLike way, on the other hand, is all about safe, human-like automation that's powered by a network of real users. The goal is to get real, organic growth by feeding the algorithm the exact signals it's looking for.
But here's what's really interesting about this. It goes way beyond just getting a bunch of likes. See, to really win on LinkedIn in 2025, you have to work with the algorithm. You have to speak its language. And that means sending it deeper signals that your content is actually valuable.
So here's how they do it. You connect your profile, and when you post something, the community provides that initial boost. But, and this is the clever part, it's not just about likes. The system coordinates what they call invisible actions. Things a real person would do, like pausing their scroll to actually read your post, or clicking the See More link. These are the subtle cues that tell the LinkedIn algorithm, hey, people are paying attention to this, which then triggers it to show your post to a way bigger audience.
And this smart approach is baked into the whole thing. The network isn't just random people, it's a curated group. They even have this feature where AI can draft comments that sound just like you. But, and I think this is so important, they listen to their users and they made all that stuff totally optional. You're always in the driver's seat, so it always feels authentic and, crucially, band safe. Okay, so getting your post seen is the core of it right now. But that's just the starting line. The team's vision is way bigger. They want to build a single, all-in-one platform to manage your entire marketing workflow, from start to finish.
So, imagine this. It all starts right here, with actually creating your content. The goal is for the platform to help you generate high-quality posts that are perfectly tailored to your audience, not that generic AI fluff we're all tired of seeing. From there, that content flows right into a smart scheduler, so no more juggling 3 different tools. You can plan, create, and see your entire content calendar all in one place. Nice and simple. And of course, the secret sauce is still right there at the center of it all. The platform is powered by that automated community boost we talked about, making sure the amazing content you just scheduled actually gets the kickstart it needs. And finally, to complete the circle, you get integrated analytics. You can track everything, your reach, your engagement, even leads, so you can actually prove your ROI and tweak your strategy, all without ever leaving the app. This is all happening because the ground is shifting under our feet. Organic reach is absolutely plummeting. At the same time, Save AI automation is finally here. You've got more freelance marketers than ever, and everybody's talking about community-led growth. CrossLike is sitting right at the perfect intersection of all these massive trends.
And that leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. As platforms like this start to handle all the tedious, manual parts of the job, the scheduling, the engagement, the busy work, what does that free us up to do? What becomes the truly human skill in marketing in 2025? It suggests a future where we spend less time on mechanics and more time on high-level strategy, creativity, and building real relationships. Pretty cool to think about.